Hey Fit Fam, welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday, or should I say Workout Wednesday, because today I am walking you through my 9-minute full body strengthening yoga workout. This workout requires no equipment and you can do it from your own home. This workout is perfect for you if you're looking to lose weight or tone from your own home, or if you're just super busy today and you do not have time to get to a gym or get a full workout in, I got you. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Jayana, aka The Holistic Realistic, and I share nutrition, exercise, and healthy habit tips here on YouTube and my blog called The Holistic Realistic. If you like this video and free health tips, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Wednesday. All right, babes, so this workout is killer. You're gonna be working out your shoulders, arms, biceps and triceps, your chest, your glutes, your calves, your hammies, your quads, all of the things. You're even gonna get some cardiovascular exercising in today in just 9 minutes. Make sure you go to the description below and print out the workout so you can easily follow along. We are doing 3 exercises today for 1 minute each for a total of 3 rounds. So that is going to be a total of 9 minutes. I am so excited for this workout. It is the bomb. So without further ado, let's just jump in. Alright, so like I said, today we are going to be doing 3 exercises. We're going to be doing a low squat to a chair pose. Then we're going to be doing a chaturanga, which is a fancy word for push-up or plank, to an upward dog, and then we'll do downward dog. And then to work out that core and some calves and some hammies, we are going to do a 3-legged dog to opposite elbow. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. No more talking. Get out your mat. Let's work.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Alright, so when doing exercise number 2, the chaturanga, which includes a push-up to upward dog to downward dog, you might get tired. It could be a lot on your shoulders. So instead of going all the way down to a push-up and then back up into your upward dog, if you're tired, that's okay. Go ahead and just do a plank and then go into upward dog and then downward dog. I understand that is a lot to do for a minute, so please feel free to do plank pose. You're gonna see me throughout the workout doing plank pose because push-ups just got too much and I'm tired and I don't wanna burn myself out. So don't burn yourself out. You can totally mix it up between push-up and plank. Alright, so during our exercise number 3, when we're doing 3-legged dog to opposite elbow, if that opposite elbow, that turn just gets too much, that's okay. All I want you to do is go from 3-legged dog to plank pose, hold for a second, go back up to 3-legged dog, and then switch legs. Again, I don't want you to burn yourself out. This exercise is 9 minutes, it's powerful, but I want you to make it through the 9 minutes. So stay with me, modify when you need to, get back in it and go hard when you need to, and most importantly, have fun.
I'm moving too far. Get to glass. You're looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
it through my 9-minute full body strengthening yoga workout. I am so proud of you. High five. You're amazing. If you like this video and you want more workouts like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Wednesday. Share with your girlfriend because sharing is caring, and drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite exercise was. Also, if you're looking for a community of women just like you, then we hang out on Facebook page The Holistic Realistic, where I share nutrition, exercise, and healthy habit tips for you throughout the work week so you can stay aligned with your health and fitness goals. Y'all, I love you, love you, love you so much. See you next Wednesday. Bye.